Inspecting carbon steel welds with magnetic particles poses several problems, such as the paint needs to be removed and extensive surface preparation is required. There are environmental concerns because of the harsh chemicals that are used. The process is highly susceptible to field conditions. There's no permanent record of data, and it's not well suited for rope access inspections. The Nortec 600 weld inspection solution is an ideal replacement for magnetic particle inspection. It features several benefits such as inspection through paint or coating measuring up to 2 mm thick. It's more environmentally friendly since no chemicals are involved. Evaluation of defect depth and length. Data reporting and archiving. And it is rope access ready. Eddy current technology uses a magnetic field to couple the sensor to the part, so a certain distance between the probe and the part is permissible. That means that the Nortec 600 weld inspection solution can detect defects through up to 2 mm of paint or non-conductive coatings. The ability to inspect through the paint or coatings makes removing these layers unnecessary. Eddy current technology also requires minimal surface preparation. As no chemicals are involved in the process, the Nortec 600 weld inspection solution contributes to a cleaner environment. The Nortec 600 weld inspection solution features unique tools that facilitate the evaluation of an indication's depth and length. The depth of a surface breaking indication can be evaluated based on the peak-to-peak amplitude in the impedance plane. Deeper indications produce larger amplitudes. The new real-time readings provide instantaneous amplitude and phase values that can be used for comparison with the calibration defects. This peak-to-peak measurement is a very reliable and consistent way to determine an indication's depth because variations in the operating point have no effect on it. The Nortec 600 weld inspection solution also enables defect length evaluation. The length can be estimated based on the -6 dB threshold on each side of the flaw. The combination of the Nortec 600 real-time readings and instant reference signal make estimating an indication's length extremely easy. Unlike MPI, recording inspection results is efficient with the Nortec 600 weld inspection solution. Files can be saved at any time during an inspection. Those files can be previewed on the instrument or downloaded to a computer where a full report can be easily produced in the Nortec PC software. The Nortec 600 is ideal for rope access inspection. It features a highly portable and rugged casing, 4-point anchors, and its interface is also extremely intuitive. Olympus offers a wide selection of rugged weld probes and probe kits to suit your inspection needs. The Nortec 600 weld inspection solution is a major improvement over the MPI method. For more information on Olympus eddy current solutions, contact your local representative or visit us online at www.olympus-ims.com.